What about clients, Rafi, who actually never want to discharge anyone? Let's say they're a provider who they have an ongoing maintenance program. I know that throws up some issues with people. Maintenance program, or they go into a massage program, or they go onto an exercise program. Should they ever be discharged at all, Rafi?
Yes. Well, and the reason is because at least the way I view it, and again, I come from an academic standpoint, and I come from kind of just diving into the research a little bit. Skilled physiotherapy and skilled occupational therapy is different than maintenance and wellness. They are both hugely and vitally important to the health of a nation and to the health of a population, but you do water down, or you undervalue from a positioning standpoint. You undervalue or you project a message of less than if you are not discharging and making the clear delineation that, okay, your wellness program should cost less than your physio program. Okay, let's just establish that. So your wellness program should be less than your physio program. And the way you are justifying those costs is by saying, okay, you were in this program. It required a lot of skills, a lot of, maybe time from the clinicians. Now you've graduated. We've given you a T-shirt or a birthday cake or whatever we did. And now we're giving you this other option, which is a way for you to maintain the gains that you've experienced during therapy. And that's a perfectly great way to keep some consistent revenue in your door. Wellness programs are awesome. But you do need to make that delineation. For the way I see it is more for the fact of not undermining your position as a clinical expert in the services that you provide, especially if you're in the private pay or cash-based side of things.
So you've got to have a parallel business model. There's another strand to this. It's not just physio continuing. You're now in our new program, Rafi, because you've graduated from a primary program.
Exactly. Yeah.